In the year 2020, people struggled with the pandemic of COVID-19. Like the rest of the world, India too faced a long lockdown. Streets remained deserted as most of the activities were suspended. But this difficult period highlighted science in a big way. People paid attention to scientific guidelines and followed standard operating procedures relating to washing hands and sanitization, and many learned the right way to sneeze. The pandemic forced the people to adopt new practices suggested by the scientists. Scientific awareness increased among all sections of the society, and guidelines relating to social distancing, mask wearing, and washing hands were generally followed. This also taught how to avoid other infectious diseases besides COVID-19. For the first time in many years, general people seemed interested in listening to the instructions and opinions of the scientists and realized the importance of science. Though science and scientists have always been working for the benefit of the mankind, but in the year 2020, the top labs of the country worked directly for the society and developed quick solutions.
अगर मैं 2020 के वर्ष को ये साइंस का वर्ष कहूँ या वैज्ञानिकों का वर्ष कहूँ या वैज्ञानिकों की उपलब्धियों का वर्ष कहूँ या ये कहूँ कि द साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी रियली रोज टू द ओकेजन इन 2020। साइंस की जो ताकत है, साइंस का जो पोटेंशियल है, साइंस के लिए जो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन का जो भाव पैदा होने की आवश्यकता है, वो सारा कुछ हम लोगों ने अपनी आँखों के सामने 2020 में होते हुए देखा है।
Year 2020 saw accelerated science and technology interventions as well as collaborations to overcome the challenges presented by the pandemic. Drone technology was improved upon to use unmanned aerial vehicles for surveillance and sanitization. UVC light-based disinfection systems were developed on a wide scale and made available in the market. In view of the shortage of ventilators, many IITs and other institutions of the country developed indigenous ventilators using innovative technologies. Scientists worked on a war footing. Innovative systems were developed for the sanitization of people, vehicles, and buildings. To make India self-reliant in the field of COVID-19 testing, a number of simple, accurate and inexpensive testing kits were made available in record time. Institutes and startups geared up to manufacture protective masks and other PPE essentials to meet the demands of the corona warriors. DRDO scientists achieved a unique feat by building a temporary COVID-19 hospital equipped with state-of-the-art facilities in record time. For the first time in the country, ready-made and portable hospital units were developed. Engineers succeeded in developing fully functional and state-of-the-art mobile diagnostic labs to serve the remotest parts of the country. Along with this, for the first time in the world, accelerated efforts in the field of science led to the development of various vaccine candidates against COVID-19 within a span of few months, which will be documented as an exceptional outcome of the year 2020. Use of science and technology also expanded in the day-to-day life. Many services could function smoothly due to the widespread internet services and digital platforms. Students and schools relied on online classes, and online platforms also facilitated concepts like work from home. More and more services were provided online for the benefit of the citizens. Various schemes and programs were launched on digital platforms. Acceleration was also seen in remote sensing-based smartphone applications for fields like agriculture. In view of all such developments, we can certainly say the year of 2020 was also the year of accelerated science.